Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can done. Me fi kill him instant. It's a big stone if you get in face straight.
Blessed morning, blessed morning, blessed morning. My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel Big Voice Radio in the building. Yo, you don't know a thing going on. Blessed day to each and every one. Give thanks for life. We are alive and kicking, alive and well oxygenated. So you don't know, so we there give thanks. So big up everybody at home. We are watch and are tune in. We are like and subscribe. Cause you don't know we are grow 2025. See? So today is going to be a very interesting topic. It is about Flatbridge. You don't know Flatbridge in a St. Catherine scene. It's a bridge where have a lot of history, a lot of historical, you know, the colonial past and everything. You don't know slave days back in the day and all type of things. Go back way to the 1700s, 1770 to be exact. That's when the bridge was built. A lot of people don't know that Flatbridge was built by slaves. People know, but a lot of people don't know. You know, slaves, labor actually built Flatbridge. You know, so I want to talk about it a little bit about the history, but I want to talk about it present state and the accidents and just a lot of stuff need to be done about that bridge and that route. So watch the intro, you know the thing go. We are going to talk about it, we are going to post video here and there so you can get to understand where I come from. See? So stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and we are going to talk, get the history and see what we can do now, today, what the government can do to elevate and make sure say Flatbridge is more safe and secure for driving. Alright, boom.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.
My viewers and my subscribers, welcome back. So as you know, we are talking about Flatbridge, see? And you know it is located in St. Catherine. You don't know, in Bagwalk, call it Bagwalk Gorge. You don't know this, the bridge there. I think it is the oldest or one of the oldest bridge in Jamaica, and that bridge was so unique and significant in our history because back in the day, back in the 1700s, you don't know, centuries ago, that bridge was used because them actually connect whoever come from Kingston if you go St. Ann, you know, Ocherius, Clarendon and various places. So that bridge is very important. Maybe not as important like back in the day because that route was the only route, you know, to get from point A to point B in terms of Kingston to Ochi and stuff. But nowadays, you know, the highway, toll road, everything get modern and modernized. So, you know, people have option if they want to travel on the Flatbridge. We don't really travel Flatbridge like that anymore, you know. I go there every now and again just to see, you know, the views and the sights and the scenes and everything, because believe it or not, a lot of people drive there to just get the feeling of it, because a lot of people fearful or is very fearful of that bridge, you know. So again, it was built by slaves, and you don't know, back in the day, you know, them actually get a lot of contracts. People used to sell slaves and everything, yo, plantations. It's crazy. We don't even like to talk about it too much, you know, because it is a strong history, and that bridge is to be cherished greatly, because the slave them make it back in the day, yo, out of log, you know, out of wood, timber, and them thing there, and you know, them actually have the plantations with slaves, thousands of slaves, and then every plantation now with a 1 out of every 50 slave they would have sent to that bridge to make it. So 1 out of every 50 slave would send to that thing, that bridge, you know, to make it and construct it, the mason them and everything. That for show you how mankind was creative back in the day, because them didn't have the resources what them have now. And for no, so they make the bridge from them time they out of log, and then them upgrade it, you know. And at one point, I think back in the 1930s, I think 1930 to be exact, then they'll actually put rail around the bridge so it would have been more safer. But the weather, the rain and everything tear it down, you know, and everything. People always say a dopey. People always say the reason why people are crashing in the flat bridge, and you know, them say the river want blood and all type of thing. Me not really get into that, because me not gonna say nothing no go so, but me not really believe in them type of thing there. And me not say nothing no go so as me say, but me personally feel say nature, when rain fall and you know, you don't know, the water get high, it lick down the railing them and everything, and when people crash night, people naturally now focus on the road, because you have a brother who crashed one day, couple of days ago. Him actually have the food in him lap, and when him take the corner, the food slide off, and when the food slide off now, you know, him a try catch the food, and I suck him swerve in the river.
Me don't like to know when did I do a while ago and jump off.
Say food.
Oh, you see it?
You serious?
Man, it's he have some food and like carry some people, right? And then say I wouldn't come on now, like one of the food and drop off, slide so you can move and grab the food. Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done.
That's a distraction. I say go.
You see, let me tell you something, say. It's when you're young and fool, you will grow you out, you know. It's when you're old and fool, and done you don't rest, done.
And me can tell you this, a lot of people see that, and they must say, a dopey. I'm a dopey man. I just focus in now, focus, you know, and everything. So it's a strong history. As me say, I go post some videos and everything to make you see what I go on. The church did actually have a part to play in it too, you know. I go post some data so you can see what I go on, read what I go on. You know, whole heap of history, whole heap of history, strong history. But my point is though, the government, me I wonder why they don't invest. Time gets so modern, infrastructure and resources and everything. Why they don't invest and get that bridge to its safest potential? Because it is a one-way bridge, only one vehicle can pass at a time. And them build highways over Jamaica right now, right through. So why them can't build or reconstruct that bridge properly so it is more safe and sound? Because there's no railing to protect nothing to stop or hinder a vehicle from going over that bridge. So me not understand why the government never look into it. It's like, to me, the real heroes are the people that live beside that bridge, because them have life, what do they call it, lifeguard, you know, life vest.
Video is a video, there's a short video of a car that went over at Flatbridge around 5 o'clock today, February the 15th. So guys, watch the video, watch the full video and join the live right now, guys.
Put on the life jacket. Simple, thanks.
Shoot them then, Jesus. Peter, can I use the car? Tell them to Peter. Jesus. Sure. No, just.
Come cross it.
All right. What going?
God is good. God is good. Nobody care gun. Alright.
Me don't like to know when did I do a while ago on the park.
Say food.
Oh, you see it?
Man, it's he have some food and like carry some people. Right? I mean say I would come on now, like one of the food and drop off, slice it, because the woman and grab the food.
And that's a distraction.
And it's very distraction.
I say go.
And every time people crash, and them are the one who actually go in the water, throw the life vest, give the people them. And sometimes the people them dead, sometimes they're not dead. So I say, how is it alarm me? Because I say, how the government don't see that? Say the Flatbridge is becoming a crisis. I take people life, literally. So why them not reconstruct it and make it more modern? You know? So I just I think about that. And I wonder why go on. I wonder if me alone think the way there, because me not hear nobody talk about it like say, yo, the government need to do something about this bridge. Because a whole heap of slave lose them life around there, you know. Whole heap of slave lose them life when they make the bridge. Whole heap of slaves. So that's why a lot of people say spirits round there. Because a whole heap of slave dead round there and make the bridge. Drown. You know? So to me, I'm not going to stay on the topic long. But the bridge they make from 1970, between 1970, not 1970, sorry, 1770. I mean, I said John Star. That's a long time. Long time, 1770, yo. That is a very long time. And if you know, say it's still in a one state that is not safe. It is very hazardous. You know, safe to travel. You know? But I have to give credit to the driver them. We have the courage to drive over it. The truck man them, yo. Yo, them man they brave, yo. Them man they don't play. You know? So people, for the time being, just be safe. And when you travel that road, just be careful. Because it is very serious. Yeah, man, but we just want to highlight that. I wonder why the government don't intervene and try to do something of significance to that bridge. Because it is taking a lot of lives. That's just my point, you know. But yeah, man, anyway, I'm going to post some clips and them thing there so you can enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Big Voice Radio in the building. Big up on yourself, see? Boom.
ultimate machine. Yeah. Jesus, you're right.
Kiss me rascal, me I tell you wickedness can't done. Me fi kill him instant. It's a big stone if you get in face straight.
I will get a rum. A rum? Don't do that again, man.
You see, let me tell you something, say. It's when you're young and fool, you will grow out, you know. It's when you're old and fool, and done your dirty ass, done your...